Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to finally try a recipe that I have been obsessing over since I first saw it on TikTok months ago. And let me tell you, it was worth the wait. It's delicious. It's Korean style enoki mushrooms. Let's go. Okay, so the first step is to wash our mushrooms. Now these usually come vacuum packed, and they have lasted in my fridge for a really long time. So I read that enoki mushrooms, if they're sealed like this, last a really nice amount of time in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna go rinse these in the sink really quickly. So now I'm gonna cut about an inch off the bottom, so kind of right here and right here. Now these may fall apart a little bit, that's okay, because now we're gonna slice them into like strips that are easier to eat. This one's really falling apart. I probably cut a little too high on the stems, but they'll still taste good. All right, I'm gonna get a pan starting on high on my stove, and I'm gonna add probably a tablespoon of sesame oil, and then a tablespoon of red hot chili oil. This stuff's really spicy, so be careful. So we'll just make sure our oil is coating the pan. And these HexClad pans get really hot, so I'm going to turn this down now that it's starting to heat up and my oil is starting to kind of shimmer and pull back. So what I'm going to do is just add my mushrooms to my oil like that. And then we're going to get our sauce going in this bowl here. So I'm going to add probably 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of, you're supposed to use the Korean fire chicken sauce, but I have Gochujang Korean chili sauce, so we're just going to use that. A pinch of salt, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and then about 2 tablespoons of Gochugaru Korean chili flakes. They are not spicy, they're just really flavorful. And I really wish I had fresh spring onions, but I don't, so I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of dried chives. They'll rehydrate with the sauce a little bit. I'm also gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then about 4 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna get this mixing. My mushrooms are probably close to being ready to be turned. You wanna cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes per side. So we'll get this nice and mixed up here. I can feel the honey is kind of stuck to the bottom. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip our mushrooms. They should be kind of a golden brown color. And be really careful because they tend to kind of fall apart at this stage. And yes, I can use metal tongs in this pan even though it looks non-stick. It's a HexClad. Don't yell at me. Okay, so now we're going to spoon our mixture generously over each chunk of mushrooms here. And we'll let this go for another 3 or 4 minutes. All right, we're going to go ahead and flip these again back to the original side. And we're going to spoon over more of our sauce mixture. And we'll let it go for another 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, and then last turn, we're going to flip back again one more time for about 3 or 4 minutes until the sauce kind of thickens. And then they will be ready to serve up. All right, these are ready to plate up, so we're just going to take them out of the frying pan. And then we'll just kind of drizzle the rest of our sauce over the top. Oh, I'm sorry, I hate this noise too. And there we go. I'm going to do one more batch. So I'm going to go ahead and add more sesame oil and chili oil and cook this last batch up. At this point, if you wanted, you could drizzle another shot of red hot chili oil over the top of your finished ones, but I think they're spicy enough, so I'm going to skip that step. And there you have it, a giant plate of enoki mushrooms with a really spicy Korean style sauce. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.